As a way of making some extra money, Simple Simon decided to have a go at raising chickens and perhaps sell some eggs. Well, he went off to the local poultry supplier and bought 50 chicks and took them back to the farm. A week later, he returned to the supplier and bought another 50 chicks. The week after that, he was back again and buys another 50 chicks. The poultryman said, "Back again? You must be doing well." "Not really," said Simon. "I keep buying new chicks because the old ones keep dying on me." "That's unusual," says the poultryman. "You must be very unlucky to have all those chicks die on you like that." "I know," said Simon, "but I think I figured out what the problem is. I'm either planting them too deep or too close together."